I'm Michelle from the Titan Outlet store in Moorhead. Behind me is a Baler BR780A. It has auto twine. It's got the Bale Kicker. It is a 2006. If you're interested, please give us a call here at the outlet.
Hello and welcome to the Moorhead Titan Outlet store. In this video, we are demonstrating a 2006 New Holland BR780A in good condition. Let's take a closer look at the features on this round baler. This BR780A produces 5x6 foot round bales in its variable bale chamber and features a standard width, standard pickup with hydraulic lift, along with hydraulic bale tensioner, kicker, and auto twine wrap control, and a 1000 Slipclutch PTO, standard tires, and electronic monitor. Thank you for viewing this New Holland BR780A. If you're interested in this round baler and would like to contact our sales team, give them a call at 877-886-7010. If you're interested in viewing more equipment, go online to TitanOutletStore.com.